Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the very first video lesson of Grade 2 Science. I am your science teacher from Honors Kindergarten and Secondary School. Today we are going to learn first 5 units. Unit number 1, our body. Unit number 2, the body machine. Unit number 3, animals. Unit number 4, life cycle. Unit number 5, plants. Let's start the video lesson. Unit number 1, our body. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to introduce the skeleton system, to demonstrate the function of the skeleton, to explain the function of joint and muscle, to discuss some ways in which we need to look after ourselves to stay healthy and active. Students, do you know the bones of our body make up our skeleton? A skeleton helps us to stand upright and gives shape to our body. Bones do not work alone, they move with the help of muscles and joints. They allow us to walk, run, bend, or lift things. Students, do you know what is a skeleton? Yes, a skeleton is the hard structure that protects the internal organs of a living thing. It protects our brain, heart, lungs, kidney, stomach. Skeletons can be inside the body or outside the body. All the bones, when they are joined together, make the skeletal system of a body. Some main functions of skeletal system are as follow. Support the body. It facilitates movement, protects internal organs, produce blood cells. Joint. A joint is an area where two or more than two bones are in contact with each other. Bones do not work alone, they move with the help of muscles and joints. The place where two bones meet is called a joint. Joints help the skeleton to move. They allow us to walk, run, bend, or lift things. Muscles. Muscles are the tissues of the body. Their main purpose is to help us to move our body parts. Do you know you have more than 600 muscles in your body? They do everything from pumping blood throughout your body to helping you lift your heavy backpack. You have 3 different types of muscles in your body: smooth muscles, cardiac muscles, and skeletal muscles. Let's understand the working of muscles and joints. Look at your elbow. Can you move your arm without moving your forearm? Yes, you can. The place where your arm and forearm bone meet is called a joint. There are some important ways to stay healthy and strong. Eat a varied diet, drink plenty of water, get lots of sleep, get regular exercise, include vitamin and nutrient-rich food in your diet. Students, there are some interesting facts in the lesson. Let's explore them. Insects have skeleton outside their body. Such skeletons are called exoskeleton. The bones of our body make up our skeleton. It gives us shape and support to stand upright. When we become adult, we have 206 bones in our body. The place where two bones meet is called a joint. Men and women, boys and girls are called human beings. Our muscles will get strong if we eat healthy food. Students, let's do an interesting activity. Collect pictures of food that help to keep the bones and muscles strong. Make a chart and label the pictures. इस एक्टिविटी में मैंने हेल्दी फूड और बेनिफिट्स मेंशन किए हैं: मिल्क, मीट, जूस, वेजिटेबल्स. Drinking milk can keep your bones strong and safe from fracture. Meat. Meat is naturally rich in multiple vitamins. It can keep our muscles strong. Juice. Juice boosts your immune system, remove toxins from body and aid in digestion. Vegetables. Vegetables are important source of many nutrients. It helps us to maintain healthy blood pressure. Students, by using this example as a guide, you can make your own food chart. Revise your bookwork and learn words meaning and question answers of unit number 1 from your notebook. Unit number 2, the body machine. By the end of this lesson, student will be able to compare a machine with human body, ways to look after yourself, major body organs and their functions. A machine and human body. Your body is like a car. A car needs gas to function properly. Your body needs food to function properly. A car needs to be driven often to function properly. Your body needs exercise to function properly. Ways to look after human body. Eat healthy food that gives you the energy to work and play. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. Get plenty of rest and sleep. Keep your body active by playing games. Brush your hair. Cut your nails properly. Some major organs of human body are as following: brain, heart, lungs, stomach. Brain. The brain controls thought, memory, speech, movement of arms and legs, function of many organs within our body. Heart. The heart is a muscular organ about the size of our fist. We have a heart. It pushes or pumps blood to all the parts of our body. Lungs. We have a pair of lungs. We use them to breathe. The main function of the lungs is the process of gas exchange called respiration or breathing. Stomach. We have a stomach to help us digest our food. The stomach is a muscular organ located on the left side of the upper abdomen. The stomach is a muscular hollow organ. It takes in food from the food pipe, mixes it, breaks it down, and then passes it on to the small intestine in small portions. Students, let's do an interesting activity. Label the pictures and match the pictures with their functions. Revise your bookwork and learn words meaning and question answers of unit number 2 from your notebook. Unit number 3, animals. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to learn about habitat of different animals, diet of different animals, special body parts in different animals. Habitat. A habitat is like a big community for plants and animals. Some animals live on land, some live in water, some insects live in the grass, and many can fly. Birds make their nest in trees. Diet of different animals. According to diet, animals are divided into 3 groups: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Animals that eat plants are called herbivores. Animals that eat meat are called carnivores. Animals that eat both plants and meat are called omnivores. Special body parts in different animals. Animals have different body parts to help them live, find food, and move. Birds have wings to fly. They have beak to catch worms and eat grains and seeds. Ducks and frogs have webbed feet to help them swim. Meat eaters have long, sharp, pointed teeth to eat meat. Plant eaters have big, flat teeth to eat plants. Animals that eat both plant and meat have sharp as well as flat teeth. Students, let's do an interesting activity. Make your own animal album. cut and paste animal pictures from newspaper and magazine. Write the name of the animals under the pictures. Find, paste and label the pictures of special body parts of different animals like horns, teeth, long neck and trunk. Revise your bookwork and learn words meaning and question answers of unit number 3 from your notebook. Unit number 4, Life Cycle. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to learn about life cycle, different stages in the life cycle of a butterfly, different stages in the life cycle of a frog. Life cycle. Do you know what is a life cycle? A life cycle is defined as the developmental stages that occur during an organism's lifetime. All animals have a life cycle. A cycle is something that happens over and over again. With time, all living things become old and die, but they can make copies of themselves by having babies. Life cycle of butterfly. Life cycle of butterfly is truly amazing. Butterflies have 4 life stages: egg, larva, pupa, adult butterfly. Life cycle of a frog. Frogs live near ponds. They live on land but go into the water often. Frogs have babies by laying egg in the water. Frogs have 4 stages in their life cycle: egg, tadpole, froglet, adult frog. Revise your bookwork and learn words meaning and question answers of unit number 4 from your notebook. Unit number 5, Plants. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to learn about different types of plants, uses of plants, things made of plants. Students, let's do an interesting activity. Draw a simple sketch showing the different parts of a plant, label the different parts of a plant and color your drawing. Types of plants. There are 3 main types of plants: herb, shrub, trees. Herbs. Starting from the smallest herb is a short-sized plant with soft, green, delicate stem without the woody tissues. Shrub. Shrubs are medium-sized woody plants, taller than herbs and shorter than a tree. Trees. Trees are big and tall plants. They have very thick, woody and hard stem called the trunk. Uses of plants. Plants are very useful to us. Plants give us air to breathe. They are like the lungs of the earth. Plants give us food. We eat different parts of plant as food. Many animals also eat plants. We can use plants to make furniture, clothes, medicine, and for decoration. Things made of plants. Sunflower seeds are used for making cooking oil. The aloe vera plant is used in making soap and shampoo. Tea and coffee are made from tea leaves and coffee beans. Perfume is made from flowers. Medicine and oil are made from herbs. Sugar is made from sugar cane. Revise your bookwork and learn words meaning and question answers of unit number 5 from your notebook. You have learned 5 units in this video lesson. Learn words meaning, question answers and bookwork from your summer pack. Thanks for watching.